Alright, I took this mower out for a little test drive, and it just shook something fierce. So I took the belt off and checked the belt, and the belt has been smoked on it. I guess you'd call it. It's locked up probably when that spindle broke. But I'm trying to get this so you can see what I'm doing. There's a thin spot. I don't know if you can pick it up. Right there. It's supposed to be 1/2 inch. .5. I don't know if you can read that or not. Changing the mode here to fractions of an inch. But yeah, the belt is belt's pretty wore out anyway. So it's got a big flat spot in it. Right there. Right where my hand is, there's a flat spot. And it's less than 3/8 of an inch thick. So I got a new belt. We'll get that on, see if that smooths it out. And I had a viewer want to know how you put these belts on. So we'll go ahead and show him here. So I got the deck lowered all the way down. And what I do first is I feed it in through the pulleys, through the middle. Let me get you down here so you can see what I'm doing. Yeah. All right. So what I do is I take my belt and I feed it in around this spring and through the center so that it's poking out towards the drive to the engine. All right, so I poke it in like that, and it comes out to the front, right in front of the pulley. Okay, now there's little keepers. See if I can get you to, kind of dark here. Let me turn my light on. All right, I got my light on now. But right, there's their pulley, and then there's these little keepers, and the back of the belt goes towards the pulley, and there's kind of spring loaded. So the back of the belt's like that, and just in front of them. Okay. And then while I'm on this side, I take that belt that I just took around the pulley and I bring it around here, slide it under the brake, goes around the spindle. Okay, so that's this side. Okay, over here, I grab that belt and I pull it around. And then on this pulley, I got the same setup. See if I can get you in here. See that spring loaded right there? I got to get the back of the belt. Just like that. It just snaps down in there. Okay, and then this end comes around, and it's got to go under this guard. It's got to go over the drive shaft to the spindle. And inside here, you won't be able to see it because the cover's on. There's another one of them blade brakes. So I work the belt down between the brake and the edge of the pulley. Okay, I'm going to sit you down for a minute. Gotta have two hands. Okay, I don't know if you can see in there or not, but no, just can't. But I can make sure the belt's in the pulley and under the brake. I make sure that it goes around this pulley right here. No good way. Alright, so we're around the pulleys. There's just hardly any good way to get you in here to see what's going on. But anyway, you can see we're around this idler pulley here. That's the stationary one. The other pulley over there, that's the tensioner. That tightens the belt up when you pull on the lever there on the dash. And then you can see over there, I'm around the pulley on that drive spindle. I'm around this pulley. So the only thing that's left now is to hook it up to the motor, or the engine. So here's the belt guide. Goes inside that. And start it over the edge of the pulley, and then you can just kind of rotate that right on. It feels fairly loose, but it's got a slip on this pulley, on this engine, or the blades spin all the time. So that's how you do it. You can kind of double check your work, make sure you're not pinched anywhere, make sure you're behind all the little spring keepers. That right here, that little spring keeper, right? I can't get hard and get my hand in there to show you. Yeah, lift the belt up. There you can see where that belt goes behind that. And then behind that one there. So it's between the pulley and that. So I think we got it. Let me throw you back on the stand, and we'll see if that took the vibration out of it. It was vibrating so bad I thought I was going to break them new spindles I put on. Alright, let's give this a try. Go ahead and grease this deck up. hear that belt skidding across that pulley on the engine, but that'll, as soon as it gets some dust on it, it'll smooth right out. But yeah, that's smooth as glass now compared to what it was. I'm gonna go run around the yard and try mowing a little lawn with it, so I'll be right back. All right, everybody, this is Cody.
How's it going?
That was his mower we was working on. It worked out really good. So here, I'll flip you around. You can take a look at it. All right, here it is. It mows really good. So there's another one finished and taken care of. Thanks for watching.